Be honest, when was the last time you worked 2 hours and without checking your phone? We haven't we haven't motivation problem. We have addiction. We have distraction problem. The problem is the world give you something which is called dopamine overload, which you scroll down every day, every time, and you don't get anything. Just your brain just want dopamines, junk foods. These all things destroy your mind, brain, and you get unfocused, and you are distracted by these things, and these things destroy your mind. Simply cut off them and live like simplicity is all matter, because simplicity create clarity, and you if you have clarity, you will succeed in your life. And the solution is, first step is work 1 hour daily, and without checking your phone, and put in another room your phone, and work on work just work, and don't doom scrolling, because doom scrolling is you scroll, you want to uh, something you get satisfied, but you can't. That's why don't doom scrolling, just work, and this way you can get you will be succeed on your life. And if you want to succeed on life, you need to focus, and clear thinking on what you want, what you don't want, and this way you will get succeed on your life. And if you want to change your life, just change it. Do it anyway. Just do it anyway.